This is a quick review of Quillbot, and in this video, I'm going to tell you what Quillbot is, how to actually use it, some of the different use cases for it, and I'm also going to help you decide which pricing plan is best for you. So first of all, what is Quillbot? Quillbot is an AI-powered writing tool. So basically, it's most famous for being a paraphraser. So if you write something here, it's going to rewrite it for you in a different way. But it also helps with grammar checking and plagiarism checking. And it can do a bunch of other stuff that you can see here as well. Now, in order to show you how to actually use it, let's just click try sample text. It's just going to fill in some text here, and let's paraphrase this. And so you can see that I rewrote the same thing in different words. And you've got all these different options here. So you've got these things called modes. So right now it's in fluency. So it's going to be written in like a really normal way in which people speak English. But if I wanted to change it to, let's say, expand, it would just rewrite the same thing in more words. So it would be the opposite of a summary. So it went from 29 words to 36 words. So this could be useful if you're trying to meet the requirements for a school essay. Maybe you only have like 200 words and you want to expand it to your 1,000-word essay. You could also write it in different styles. So you could try academic. Now it's going to write it in a more fancy way using more sophisticated vocabulary. You can also use, creative, custom, shorten. So there's lots of different options here. And this slider right here is for synonyms. So the further right you go, the more changes it's going to make, but the less accurate the text is going to be. So it's going to change up a lot more words, but it might not make as much sense as it used to before. So those are the different modes of writing that you can choose between, and you can just experiment with them to satisfy your requirements. Now, I should point out that just because you're using Quillbot does not mean that you'll get away with plagiarism. So if I was going to go to an article here and just like copy paste a bunch of stuff and run it through Quillbot, paraphrase it, and I decided to just copy this here and pretend it's my own work, I could still get in trouble for plagiarism because it's technically still plagiarism. So you have to be careful with this. You can't abuse it. The way that I would recommend using Quillbot is, for example, you can find the article, you can read through it, and you can take some notes, and you can also go through some different articles, and you can take all those ideas and just write it in your own words. And then you can use Quillbot once you write it to help you with the grammar, and you can paraphrase stuff to make it sound better, or you can shorten it, or you can expand it and do whatever you want. So use Quillbot as a tool. Don't use it as a way to cheat. Now, if you really want to plagiarize, the best person to plagiarize from is yourself. So let me give you an example. If you have a YouTube channel and you had a video go viral, you can copy and paste the script from that video into Quillbot and then just remake that video with different wording, right? This would not be plagiarism because it's your own work, and you would give your video a decent chance of going viral again because basically the same thing. Another great example of how you can use Quillbot to help you make more money is using it if you're an affiliate marketer. So for example, if you're an affiliate marketer and let's say you promote a camera, the Canon EOS M50, then you can actually take the text from the descriptions here on their website and you can paraphrase that. So you can paraphrase the text from the actual website of the product and you can include this information in your videos or in the content that you create. The best part about this is that you don't have to worry about plagiarism or copyright issues because obviously Canon would want you to help them sell more stuff. So even if you're plagiarizing their content and you're, using it in your own content, if it helps them get more sales, why would they stop you? Now let's look at the different pricing plans that Quillbot offers. So they've got two here. They've got the free plan and the premium plan. And I'm currently using the premium plan just because I use it really often and the free plan just wouldn't cut it for me. But if you're just starting out, the free plan's pretty good. You can paraphrase 125 words in the paraphraser at a time. You can summarize up to 1,200 words at a time. Uh, you still have the standard and fluency modes, but in the premium, you've got more of everything, right? So you can do unlimited words in paraphraser. So instead of having to like chop up your writing into like sections of 125 words and just loop through it over and over, you can just copy paste the entire thing and paraphrase it at once if you have premium. You also have full use of the synonym slider instead of limited use. And it's faster processing speed. It's just more recommended rewrites, more for compare modes. It helps you with including a plagiarism checker. It gives you tone insights, and it's got a paraphraser history, so you can see what you've done in the past. So if you're like just looking to explore and you want to just try out Quillbot, then I would recommend just trying out the free version, see how you like it. And if you're more serious about it, if you want to use it for business, or you just write a lot so you need something professional, then the premium is definitely worth the price. If you want to try Quillbot for free, just click the link in the pinned comment. And I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you in the next one.